welcome to Abstract Boss. So I had a lot of comments on my Instagram posts. They loved this wood pour, and I still have to do some silver leafing and pour over top of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not using the same colors, but I am gonna show you guys how I did the pour. And I personally love the whole process of painting on wood. It is so amazing, and I love the way it looks, and then once the resin's on top of it, it's just so beautiful. So first off, you want to make sure that you are taping off the bottom edge. That's the one spot that I really just don't want to get the paint on. I got this from Ross. I couldn't get my sticky off, but what ifs. And then I taped off, there's a dark line from the wood piece to the edge, and I taped that off, and I'm just pressing it down one last time just to make sure I have the best seal possible. I am not doing any particular gessoing or anything like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I am gonna put a picture of the colors that I'm using right here next, and then let's get started. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you love it so much, then please share. This one is geared towards, hopefully, guys. I hope you guys like the color combo that I am choosing, because I'm trying to make a manly-ish color wood piece. So we'll see how that goes. Look how beautiful. Once you get that filled up a good amount of the way, I do about almost a half of the red Solo cup. You can see the line right here. And then you just want to flip it like you normally would. However you do it. Sometimes I'll do it super fast. Just leave it. I'm thinking this red is going to be a little too pinkish of a red or purplish of a red for you guys, but we shall see. So hopefully you guys are doing awesome today. Like I mentioned, today is my get shit done day. So I have been doing just that. And this is one of those things. So I'm doing this project, and then I'm gonna record the same color combo for another project, actually on top of this giant thing. So if you guys want to watch how I'm gonna do that, tune in on Wednesday, I think. My next video is actually gonna be me silver leafing and resining the piece that I just showed you guys, that really pretty wood piece. And then I'm gonna do the video after that. It's gonna be this glass. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an update and hope you enjoy. Ready? Here's the review. I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so big thing to get big cells is go ahead and blowtorch first before you stretch everything out, so that way the cells stretch as they expand. I'm gonna go ahead and pour off most of this white because I like that color. Oh, I don't know, we'll see. Just kind of rotate in a circle. If you do it in lines, you're gonna get lines. So just like with my tree ring pour, I try to rotate in a circular motion as much as possible until I get everything spread out. Woo! I don't know why I'm trying to keep paint off of me. That never happens. Ooh, pretty. Okay, now that I've got the whole thing covered, I'm gonna decide which part I wanna keep on, which I'm thinking this part is gonna be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this way now to get the majority of my paint off. But again, I'm still rotating just a bit, as much as possible, so that way I'm spreading out my cells and keeping no lines. Ooh, I think that was a good choice. That red-green didn't mix too well together, but whatevs. Still looks really cool. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so once you get all that paint poured off, you just want to go ahead and let it dry before you remove the tape. And then you're going to get what I had over there. So, I know, super quick video. And ridiculously easy, way easier than it looks. I guess the more complicating part will be my silver leafing and resining. So make sure you guys tune in for that particular video. And I also have another video request coming up of how to actually mix resin, so that'll be coming out this week as well. Yeah. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ooh, blow torch! Blow torch it! All right, enjoy everyone.